Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad Ali, and this video is about the beginning of the new course, which is about the CSS. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is used within HTML. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on the screen, paper, or any other media. Okay, so CSS is a kind of related to the design aspect of the HTML document. That is a major function of the CSS. And CSS can save a lot of the time for the developers as it can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. How it's gonna do that? It's gonna control the layout of the multiple web pages with the help of the external CSS file. So you can use the CSS within the HTML document. You can also create the external CSS file which can you use to style the multiple web pages. The external files, external style sheets, which are the CSS files, are gonna help you to style the layout of multiple web pages at once. Alright, CSS solved a big problem for the web developers because HTML was never intended for the formatting of the content. It was basically created to describe the content of the web page. So when the font tag and the color tag was introduced into the HTML, it was kind of the nightmare for the web developers, because when they have any big project, a project or a website that contains multiple web pages, they had to define the font and the color into every single web page. They had to do a lot of the work and it was kind of costly. So to solve that problem, CSS was introduced, okay, and it removed the style formatting from the HTML pages. And one last thing in the introduction of the CSS, that we're gonna have more than 70 plus videos in this course. You're gonna learn a lot about the CSS. So this is all for this video, and if you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.